Hi there, my name is Kendall, and today I wanted to give you my honest review of the Top Diag Vehicle Electrical System Circuit Tester. So I just wanted to say thank you so much to the company who gifted this to me. My fiance and I definitely are going to use this often, and we really appreciate it. So first of all, before I give you guys a demonstration of this, I just wanted to share some of its features. So first of all, you can use it to test your voltage and polarity in your car, such as like your AC voltage, see whether that's positive or negative super quickly. You can also test the resistance continuity. So for example, your LCD screen display. Another feature is the circuit signal testing, which is amazing. You can test your trailer lights and connections. You can also check for bad ground contacts and locating short circuits, which is really cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this just to show you guys what's inside. So it comes in a really nice, sturdy little pouch with zippers. And here's what it looks like inside. And now I will go ahead and give you a demonstration. So overall, we really love this product. As you can see, it works really well. Overall, it's helped us diagnose so many different electrical issues with both of our cars. So we highly recommend this product if you're looking for any kind of circuit tester. It's amazing.